Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World, and today we got another nice watch face for you all to check out. And I know it's time to get back on the Monday grind, but somebody's got to do it, right? But if you grind hard, trust me, it will be over with soon. All right, you all, let's check out this watch face by S&B. This one here is nice, very different. It's an animated watch face, and the name of the watch face is called Animated Map Worldwide Watch Face. Now I like this one, right? Very unique, very different look. Now in the always on mode, I like this look, right? Very different from what I was expecting, considering what we see when the watch face is on. So I like this touch in the AOD mode, right? Now when the watch face is on, this is definitely going to be for the runner in you. Gives you all your step status info, from heart rate to steps to miles walked or ran, calories burned. And then you come down, you got a nice little animation that's going on with the world right there. And then you get a view of the map. Also, you come down, you're going to get the day of the week, your date, and also your digital time down at the bottom. And what's very vital to any watch face, your battery info. Now you don't have any real interactiveness with this watch face at all, but you can change the color theme of it. So if I double tap, I can change the look of the watch face to a degree, and he gives you a few colors and all to choose from, which I thought was very nice. But again, at the end of the day, it's up to you, and I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face. So make sure you hit me in the comment section down below, and don't forget now, because we got giveaways coming up too. You gotta comment. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.